I came to Trident Tech after I discovered how awesome the film program really was. Ironically, my husband had talked to someone about the physician's assistant program, and he really was interested in applying, and I started researching it for him because he does a lot of traveling. So in my research, I discovered just how amazing the film and media arts program here was. So I looked into it for myself, and I actually feel a little bit guilty because he never did get to attend Trident, and I did. So I am very, very happy that I discovered what an amazing program they have there. I think what I like best about the program is the amazing hands-on experience that you get, as well as all of the incredible instructors. Everyone there is so giving of their knowledge and their information, and they want you to succeed, and I really appreciate that. But the hands-on experience is just something that you don't get at a lot of other film schools. I already am working as an editor for a local production company, and I really feel that my experience here at Trident and the things that I've learned here helped me get that job. I think my family, my friends, they're definitely proud of the accomplishment that I'm achieving here. And I've had several people say to me, you know, we really are inspired by the fact that you knew what you wanted to do and you chose to go to Tech and finish this, and we just think it's remarkable. Graduation definitely means a lot of different things. It's super exciting. I am very excited about graduating. It's also very bittersweet because I really enjoyed my time here at Trident, and I honestly do not want it to end. So I wish that they could add classes just for me so I could continue taking them long into the future.